I've not chosen the best setup, have I? I mean, the leaves, yes, but... And this, I mean, that has not been set up in a rush, clearly. This video is for anyone who wears makeup and would like to be a bit more ethical in their routine. It's especially important because it regards an industry that profits off of imperfections. I use this because it relies on the illusion that is perfection, socially made beauty standards. So, side note, by finding your own style rather than being influenced by adverts, discounts, models, friends, you not only benefit the environment significantly, but you separate yourself away from a hugely demoralizing industry. So when you're buying makeup, there's sort of a checklist of things to look for. So firstly, the packaging. Is it recyclable or is it refillable, reusable? You can get refills for eyeshadows now, rather than buying the whole palette each time. And you can also get mascara without any packaging from Lush. Are the ingredients non-toxic and responsibly sourced? Both for your benefit and the environment, we want to check these. And also, is it vegan? And a really important one is it cruelty-free? Does it test on animals? There's a few fake labels out there that claim to be cruelty-free. They look like this. And the ones you're looking for look like this. A good example of a refill product is this perfume by Eden, and you just bring back the bottle each time. It's also glass, so there's no plastic involved, and they dispense it from glass bottles as well. And they smell divine, and they're vegan and cruelty-free. And there's some really quick switches, but I'm still surprised when I hear that people don't know about them. So rather than makeup remover in a plastic bottle and single-use cotton pads, instead we can be using these cloths that you literally just add water to and it takes off your makeup, and then you put them in your wash. Might have been quite used for quite a long time, but you can choose different patterns. This one has little ducks over them, so they're reusable and there's no waste. So let's say you find makeup that ticks off everything on the checklist. I would also encourage you to buy from independent stores and stores that also put money into good green initiatives, humanitarian and environmental. And now let's say that your product has come to the end of its life. If it's something that you've gone off it, or it no longer suited your skin tone or something, freegal it, recycle it, give it to a friend. If it's not being used, then give it to a charity shop. But if it's completely finished, then we are recycling it. Now you can't do that with your home recycling. So you need to be taking it to Boots, Superdrug, Sainsbury's, all sorts of places. They will take toothpaste tubes, mascara. And my final tip for making your makeup routine more ethical is to avoid greenwashing. You need to be aware of it. Green has become quite fashionable, and so a lot of companies pretend to be more green than they are to hide the horrors going on behind the scenes. For instance, if something says on the bottle 30% recycled plastic, that is the bare minimum legal requirement for the UK. That company is doing nothing green. I also feel that by pausing and thinking before buying beauty products, that you actually also find yourself talking more kindly towards your body, because you're not just following suit and just doing what an advert says, you're pausing to reflect on yourself. So yeah, we're avoiding plastic, we're making sure the ingredients are non-harmful to ourselves and the planet. And if you have any other tips, please do comment them, because there is a lot in the makeup industry.